you have already installed OpenClaw. You know how to use it. You use it on Telegram, but Telegram is shit. So now we're switching to Discord. Yeah, Discord is cool. Coding on Discord is the new meta, man.
Yeah, you just ask it. You don't even code anymore. They do it for you. It doesn't matter how you prompt it. It's all about finding the way that you can work the most optimized way and have the best productivity and what's best for you.
And so what are you doing with that little Mac Mini? Like, how do you interact with it?
Well, I'm adding it. I've added it to the Discord, and I made it like my. It's the new team lead in my company, and it's my personal assistant.
Since you told me that, I did it too on my Discord, and it's way more user friendly than Telegram.
Yeah. Telegram is just one channel, and that's hard. And in Discord, you can still have one channel, but you let it go to different topics.
So you have groups on Telegram when you can create topics, and it's kind of the same setup, but I don't know, like the user, like the fact to switch the UX to switch from one channel to another, it's way easier on Discord.
I've been using it for a few years. So for the systems that we host, instead of logging everything to a local text file and need to open it, or using some paid software online where you can just scrape everything, I'm pushing error logging to my Discord server. And it was more like normally when you set up a server and you do the logging and you want to have Laravel or any other system, Python system on it, you need to pay for the actual services. And it isn't that expensive, like $25 per month. But if you have 10, 15, or 25 servers running, it adds up.
Yeah, no, for sure.
So, and the cool thing is, when you put all the notifications for logging, for errors, for 500 errors into one channel, CloudBot can read them all, knows what the GitHub repository is, and just starts creating new branches with bug fixes.
I haven't done that yet, but
yeah. So we automate the error logging without any expensive services. We just do it with a Mac Mini and Discord.
Damn. Can you show us your little Discord with all of your Swarm agents?
Yeah. And this is the moment that we have already set up CloudBot on the Mac Mini, right?
Yeah.
I've set up a Discord bot. I've connected it. I've given it access to some channels, but the Discord channel, the Discord that you're seeing right now, this is a demo. We've set it up today just to show you how it works. And we even made a separate workspace. So the AI bot that's added here, the CloudBot, does not have all these settings and the setup that I did for myself. And what I'm doing in my other, because I already mentioned the logging, the error logging and everything. So what I did is at Wizard, I have an error logging channel. Can you watch it full time and fix every bug reported in it? What info do you need? Can we set up a separate flow for that channel to do bug fixes in new branches in the GitHub repo? Okay, let's see what it does, because this is how I started. I just added a new channel. I set up the webhooks to have the bugs incoming. I asked the AI, okay, what information for me do you need to fix the bug? And then it said in my own setup, it said, okay, we need to have a title bug so that I know that's a bug. We need to make sure that we know what GitHub repository it is. Well, I know where the error logging is coming from, so I'm adding it manually. In the code, it's adding it automatically into the Discord logging. And it also added some additional, and here it comes. Error channel watcher. It monitors the error channel, creates concise summaries, and optional auto triggers GitHub issue fix. And then we create a bug fix pipeline. So that takes a new box, creates a dedicated branch, fix, and an issue name, opens a pull request, and it can keep watching and handle pull request reviews, comments too. So this is the first setup for your entire bug fixing pipeline.
Wow.
You only need to push it here.
Yeah.
So what I do is, it is possible that I get multiple notifications. Can you make sure you only handle it once? I don't ask for a debugging. I do, oh, sorry, for making sure it's not double or whatever. I only say handle it. I hope it's as smart as the last time. And it says build a fingerprint from service plus error text plus top stack frames and environment. Even kijken, if same fingerprint appears again in window, no new fix flow.
Wow.
And it just does it. So you need to ask the correct questions.
Yeah.
And in my setup, I said, okay, well, messages are coming in, but some messages in that channel can be a reply for me or something else. And I don't want you to handle them as bug report. So we set up the entire flow. If it contains bug, do this. Otherwise, if it contains, otherwise, if it contains, otherwise, do this.
The way I set up my own swarm of agents, I have all of the channel that I have notification like you, basically. Where like, see, like for example, I have the message card here, which is I asked to keep the format the same everywhere, so it should
Yes.
always display that. And on the right, I have, so Blaze is my personal assistant, CEO, CMO, CTO of GenFeed, and same setup for Shipsheet Dev, plus a content producer. And here I have the whole team of GenFeed talking to each other. For each channel, yeah, I have different missions, basically. So what's your mission, personality, and soul? Good question. Let me pull that up from my Soul MD, be generally helpful. I have all of those GitHub's notifications, blah, blah, blah. I have the comments and stuff. What's the CTO is going to say? Identity, CTO, AI CTO of GenFeed, on the Cloud Mono repo, ship the closest loop content engine, make it work, make it fast, make it secure. Because, yeah, don't make mistake. User MD, founder of GenFeed. Aaron wants to move fast, prefer action over discussion. Let's go.
With these few lines of text, it does it correctly already. Okay.
It's a new world. It's a new world. Did we conclude?
Yeah, I did. What was your conclusion?
I mean, like, I can feel the agent swarm on Discord even more than Telegram, and that's all I want to do. I want to control like 200 Discord bots that will provide me $1 million in revenue next year, next week.
Next week, why not?
That's my conclusion. Mitchell, thank you so much for your time. Really appreciate it.
Yes.
Everyone who watched this stream, thank you so much. You were a lot in the chat. And yeah, thank you for everyone who watched this video too. Thank you. Bye-bye. Cheers. Peace out.
Bye-bye.